Hello everyone, I am Ranjit from Cambridge International School, Vesoula. How are you all? I hope you all are safe with your family members and enjoying your summer camp. And I think you have learned so many activities in your summer camp. So again I am here with one more recipe, and that is dessert. But why dessert? Because life is short. Make it sweet. So let's start making today's desserts.
First recipe is Oreo biscuit balls. Let's start with our first recipe, and the ingredients are Oreo biscuits, sugar powder, coconut powder, fresh cream, milk and cashews. Now let's start preparation. First of all, we need to open the packets of Oreo biscuits. Now take out the Oreo biscuits and keep in a plate. Now we need to separate cream in a one bowl and the biscuits on another bowl. Now I have separated cream and the biscuits. Now we will make fine powder with biscuits. Now our powder is ready. Now transfer it into a bowl. See, our powder is ready. Now we will add fresh cream in the biscuit powder. We will add 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. You will just mix it and check the quantity, and according to that you can add more also. Now as the mixture is ready, and we will add coconut powder also in it. Mix it and make a dough. Now our dough is ready, and in another bowl there is a cream, so we will add 1 tablespoon of coconut powder in that also and make a separate dough of that. Now we will take a small amount of the biscuit dough and make a small ball, and with soft hands we will make a circle and press it from the center, and we will fill it with the cream which we have prepared. Now cover it from all the sides, and with soft hands you will just again roll it and make a small ball of it. Now the ball is ready. Now all ball fillings are ready. This is the time to garnish these Oreo balls. So we will use cashews to garnish these balls. These all ingredients very easily you will get from your home. So now our Oreo balls are ready. You can serve to your family members. For garnish, we will add cherry also. After adding cherries, we will add coconut powder to garnish. So our Oreo balls are ready to serve. Next recipe is banana coconut balls. For next recipe, ingredients are banana, Mario biscuit, cocoa powder, cherries, sugar powder, coconut powder. First of all, we need to peel the banana. And then cut it into pieces. Mash it properly. You can use fork or with your hand also you can mash it. Now as it is mashed properly, keep aside. Now we will take Mario biscuits. Open the packet and take out some biscuits. We need a grinder mixture to make a powder of these biscuits. So the powder is ready. Now we will add powder to the banana. And then you will mix it. Mix it properly. Now it is mixed and we will add cocoa powder. And mix it. Then sugar powder. If you want to add, if you like more sweet, you can add sugar powder. Then you need to make a dough of it. You can apply a oil on your hands before making a balls of the dough. You need to make a small balls and then roll it over coconut powder. Like this only you need to make small balls of all the dough and roll it with coconut powder. You need to roll the balls with soft hands. And now you can see that our banana coconut balls are ready, and this is the time to garnish. So we will use cherries to garnish it. Place cherries on all the banana coconut balls. Enjoy these banana coconut balls with your family members. Next recipe is Parle chocolate balls. The ingredients are Parle-G biscuit, sprinkle choco chips and silver balls, milk compound chocolate, Hershey syrup or cocoa powder. Parle chocolate balls is a very easy recipe. You can make these balls and keep in your refrigerator for long time use also. So let's start preparation of these Parle chocolate balls. We need a packet of Parle-G biscuit, which is easily available in the market also. This you need to take, and first of all we need to put it in a grinder or make a powder of these biscuits. Now our powder is ready, so after that we need to add cocoa powder or Hershey syrup. Anything you can use in it. Hershey syrup is optional. You can add cocoa powder. This is also easily available in the market. You need to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then add fresh cream, or you can add milk also in it to make a dough. As we have added all these ingredients, now we need to mix it, and now we will add milk also. You need to check the quantity and then add again if required, and you can make a soft dough out of it. And Hershey syrup, as I told you first only, this is optional. If you have cocoa powder, then you can add that also. Now the dough is ready. You can see this is a very soft dough. Now we need to make a small balls out of this dough. Softly you can roll and balls you need to make. As our balls are ready, you need to place on a plate it first. You can make balls of all the dough, and our balls are ready now. You can keep it in a refrigerator for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then we need milk compound. If you don't have, then you can any of the chocolate like Dairy Milk 5-star, because we need a melted chocolate to roll these biscuit rolls. You need to melt it by keeping microwave. Before keeping, we will add coconut oil or butter in it. If you want to add coconut oil, then you can add, otherwise butter you can add in it. After using microwave, it will melt it like this. We will mix it properly. Now our melted chocolate is ready. We have added butter or coconut oil in it. It is not required to add coconut oil. Now we can take out our balls from the refrigerator, and for garnish it, we can take some ingredients like choco, silver balls. But if you do not have all these ingredients, then you can use crushed dry fruit also to garnish these Parle chocolate biscuits. You need to dip the ball in the melted chocolate and keep on a plate. You will use fork to place it. Like this only, one by one, you can dip all the balls in melted chocolate and keep it out. And you will garnish it with different ingredients. You can use crushed dry fruit to garnish it also. Then you can keep it for at least 5 to 7 minutes like this only. And then the melted chocolate which is left, we can use that also for garnish. After 5 minutes, you can see that it becomes dry and you can remove the extra chocolate from the rolls. Even you can use knife also to give shape of a ball. Now as you can see that our Parle chocolate balls are ready. You can serve to your family members. Next recipe is coconut jaggery balls. The ingredients are coconut powder, jaggery, crushed dry fruits and ghee. Our next recipe is coconut jaggery balls. We need 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan, and then we will add coconut powder in it. Mix it well till the time it becomes brown. Now put it into a bowl, and once again we need to keep our pan on the induction or on the gas, but while using induction and gas you need parent supervision. Then we will add jaggery in the pan, and after that we will add half cup of water in it, and we will wait to melt. Now almost our jaggery paste is ready, and now we will add this jaggery paste into coconut and mix it well. Now our mixture is ready. We need to add dry fruits also in it, but before that we need to crush these dry fruits, and then we will add in the mixture. Then we will mix. After mixing all these ingredients, we will make a small balls with it, you can use your soft hands to make a ball. Now our coconut jaggery balls are ready, and this is the time to garnish these balls. So we will use dry fruits and cherry to garnish it. And you can even garnish with your choice. I have used almonds and cashews. Even you can sprinkle a coconut powder also on it. Our balls are ready to serve.
I hope you all like these resin recipes and you will definitely try it at your homes.